This is a segment on phase changes. From a solid to a liquid, it's called melting. From a liquid to a solid, it's called freezing. From a liquid to a gas, it's called vaporization. From a gas to a liquid, it's called condensation. From a gas to a solid, it's called deposition. And then from a solid to a gas, it's called sublimation. And then where all three of these changes coexist is right here, which is called the triple point. So now for some practice problems. Under what temperature and pressure would all three phases exist at the same time? So the answer to that would be at 30 centimeters and at 1 atm. For another practice problem, at point D, what phases coexist? And the answer to that would be solid, liquid, and gas, because all three of those phases exist in that one spot. For another practice problem, what phase or phases exist at 35 Celsius and 0.5 atms? And the answer to that would be gas, because they meet up around right here, which would be in the gas state. For another practice problem, what phase or phases exist at 25 Celsius and 1 atm? And the answer to that would be a solid, because they meet up right about there, which is in the solid state. For another practice problem, based on the phase diagram above, what effect would each of the following changes have at point F? So if you increase the temperature to 35 Celsius without altering the pressure, it changes from a what to a what? So the answer to that would be if you went from F all the way to 35, you would now be in a liquid. So it would be changing from a solid to a liquid state. Alright, and for one more practice problem, just to make sure you guys understand, if I wanted to go from a gas to a liquid, what name would it be? And the answer to that would be condensation.